Okay, a few more examples. Now, like I said, the decimal is where you say and every time. So if I say 1 and 4/10, you write it just like that. 1 and 4/10. 1 decimal 4. This is 2 and 6/10. So let me give you one more like this and see if you can get it. I would like you to write 403 and 6/10. 403 and 6/10. 403 and 6/10. See who can get that. 403 and 6/10. Yes, all of you. Yes. 403 and 6/10. I can't see yours, Jackson. Can you switch your expo marker? Because that's a skinny one, and it's really faded, and you write really small. So that you can totally see it. And
I don't have any others. I don't have ones like this.
Okay, can you just write bigger then? Or maybe just switch out your expo. It's just really hard to see your time. No, that says 40 and 36/100ths, but yes, that's correct. 403, that says 4 and 6/10. So watch me do it up here, guys. Here I go. Shh. Watch, I say 403, you know how to do 403, and 6/10. 403 and 6/10. Does everyone get this right here?
Yes.
Anyone have a question? Joey? Eyes up here? Okay. Let's get a little trickier. All right, I need all expo markers down and all eyes up here because this is where it gets a little tricky. So I'll wait till everybody's expos are out of their hands so I know I've got your attention. I'm waiting for a few of you still with your expo markers. Okay. Okay. When you read decimals, it's very similar to when you learned how to read these. You know how you said if there was this number right here? Okay, say this was our number. Remember how we learned to read the whole number that was within a family, and then the comma was where you said the name. Like you would say 123 million. You know how you would do that? You wouldn't say 100 million, 10 million, 3 million. You would say this whole chunk together. And then when the comma, 123 million, 456,000. We're going to do the same thing with decimals. You are going to read this whole section here together. And then you are going to say which of these names is the furthest place that it landed. For example, if I have this, I say 4/10. But if I have this, I say 44/100ths. If I have this, I say 444,000ths. Now watch this. If I say this, it is not 4/10. I lost some of your eyeballs, so I know I'm gonna have questions, right? I'm gonna ask you to put your expo marker down. Yeah, push it away so you're not distracted by it. Look right up here, because this is super important. You're not gonna know how to do this otherwise, okay? If I put this up here, some of you are going to say, oh, it's 4/10. Okay, now, it's equal to 4/10, but this is actually what? 40/100ths. And this would be equal to 4/10, and it'd be equal to 400ths, but you actually read it 400,000ths. Now, what if I wanted to have 30,000ths? How am I going to write 30,000ths? So you know you want it to land in the what spot? You want it to land in the 1,000 spot. So the last thing you write has to be in the 1,000 spot. So you can't write this. I can't say 30 because that's only 30/100ths. How am I gonna get this to say 30 thousandths, Lydia? Yes. This you put a 0 and then you say, okay, now it landed as 30 thousandths. What if I wanted it to be 400 thousandths? Shepherd?
You would put 4, 0, 0, comma, or would you put a comma?
400 thousandths. So that's right, 400 thousandths. Okay. What if I wanted it to say, actually, why don't you write this one on your board now? I want you to show me how to write 80 thousandths. 80 thousandths. Jackson, you need to write yours way bigger. I just can't see it. There's no decimal point in that one, so I can't tell. That one is 80 thousandths. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Jackson. That's much easier. That is 80 hundredths because it lands in the hundredth spot. Yes, 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 yes. Wait, where's your decimal point in there, Joey? I can't see it. That is 8 holes. You put your 8 right here in the one spot. Where's your, make a big decimal for me so I don't have to like squint. All right. That would be 80 thousandths. Yes, you got it. Okay. Hi.
Is Naomi in the class?
She's next door.
Next door.
Yep.
Got it.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna try to trick you on this one. I'm gonna give you a hard one. All right. Let's graduate to the hard one. Let's go 1 and 4 hundredths. 1 and 4 hundredths. So listen to that. 1 and 4 hundredths. So that's 1 and 40 hundredths. But you want yes. Write it nice and big so I can see it. Yes. That is, I can't tell where your decimal point is. You got to write it bigger for me. That is 1 and 400 thousandths. You landed in the thousandth spot. 1 and 4. Yes. Joey, that's 14. You have to write 1 and, that's 1 and 4 thousandths. So Kurt, you're landing right here in the thousandth spot, but I want 1 and 4 hundredths. Joey, could you write me a big decimal point so I can see where yours is? Yes, that is 4 hundredths, but it's not 1 and 4 hundredths. Yes, I want 1. So that is 1 and 400 thousandths, Zachary. You wrote 400 thousandths. I want 4 hundredths. Romy, yes, 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 yes. Jackson, I couldn't see yours. Yes, yes. Okay, I missed a few of y'all's. That's 1 and 40 hundredths. So listen, I want 1 and 4 hundredths. So you know you're gonna land in the hundredth spot. That is 1 and 400 thousandths. So if you wrote this, 1, watch me, 1 and 400, and it's in the thousandth spot. If you wrote this, that's 1 and 40 hundredths. So if I want 1 and 4 hundredths, I have to go 1 and 4 in the hundredth spot. Yes, and you don't have to write a 0 here because that doesn't matter. All right, let me give you another one. I would like to see if I could get half the class to get this right on the first time. Here we go. 35 and 6 thousandths. 35 and 6 thousandths. Yes, yes, yes. I can't see your decimal. Yes. No, close. That's 35 and 600 thousandths. But you need 35 and 6 thousandths. Yes, 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 yes. That's 6 hundredths. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, good, 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 good. Okay. This is kind of fun, guys. It's just figuring out where to, that is 350 and 6 thousandths. So you put right here, you put 350, that is 350, not 35, right? And then you put the 6 right here in the thousandth spot. So what did we want it to be? What was the, it was 35 and 600ths, I think, right? Okay, let's try it again. Let's try and get everybody.
Wait, did we get half the class?
Yes, we got more than half the class. Okay, let's try again. Who can get this one? Let's do, let me find one, see if I can find a hard one. Let's do, okay, I'm gonna give you a really hard one because we're about to go to PE. Let's see how many of you could get 10 and 30 thousandths. 10 and 30 thousandths. Yes, yes. Nice, nice, nice. That's 10 and 3 thousandths. You need 10 and 30 thousandths. Yes, that's 10 and 3 thousandths. Yes, yes. Good job, guys. That was a tricky one. That's 3,000. You have to have 30, okay, I'm sorry, 10 and 30 thousandths. So yours says 10 and 300 thousandths. Yours, yep. You look at yours, 10 and 300 thousandths. You wanted to say 30. Nice. Yes. Yes. Much better. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, we are going to have to do a little bit more of this after PE, and science is going to get bumped a little bit, but that's okay. We want to finish our lesson. Okay, go ahead and line up quick. Yes, Bria, that's great. And Bria, why don't you stay so we can take your test, okay? Everybody else, you can line up.